Welcome to a great day. So here we have the HP. This one is a motherboard with major PCH issues, if I remember. Has a dedicated GPU, CPU I think are fine, but I don't have the capacity or ability to solder them or desolder them cleanly. So what I'm going to do now is strip this board of components and then organize them later on into my special box. For now, I'm going to show you what I would normally get or recycle from a board like this. So we're going to do a little talk over what components to pull out, what's important, depending on the level of work you're doing. So we're going to bring out tweezers and we'll go through them quickly. Anything I recognize, great, anything I don't. But I think we will figure out later that it may be useful or not. So this is a video that's most suitable for anyone who's doing really deep board level. Not that I am deep super level, but you know, I need some components. So K72 is available on most boards, so is A04. ITE chip we're gonna take. The reason why that's dark, let me just adjust this a little bit more. Oh shit, okay, too deep. Okay, let's go back up a bit. Okay. Okay, great. That's a bit lighter. I'll get a little bit more light. Okay. Alright, so this guy here, ITE chip. He's important. Let's take him out. What's this? Texas Instruments. That will be important. Its caps, no. A diode here, PJ8297, that we can use. Keep going. It's 035.8, no idea, but we'll take that. Could be a new chip. These are monohelic power supply systems. We'll take that. One sec. Okay, and having a look through the board. USB, some sort of USB controller, yeah. So we'll take the Type C port. What's that? Display port, we won't take that. HDMI, we won't take. USB, we won't take. Network, no. That's network. Realtek, we won't take. These look important. What's this? SIZ, I got a few of them. I think that's a USB controller. We won't take that. We won't take that. That's probably audio controllers. Okay. If you're really advanced, you can take these guys out too, but I don't do that level yet. AP AON power, that is. That could be useful. MOSFETs, yes. These connectors can be useful to keep the boards for future. Yeah, this board had a bit of a shitty life, so we're gonna take that, these two, that guy, that MOSFET there. That's a most likely BIOS chip, 25C1270SIG, MOSFETs, 4E equals to, that's a rich tech of some sort. That's a MOSFET, APW, yes. We're gonna take these VRAMs as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what else? Yep, that guy there, this guy here, that guy. Yeah, a lot of goodies here. Yep, definitely that one. That looks like maybe another BIOS chip. That could be maybe the BIOS chip, or could be backup firmware for the EC, I'm not sure. All these MOSFETs, this guy. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, let's start somewhere. Here we go. For these ones, we're going to use the larger tip. Otherwise, we're going to damage the chip with a small nozzle. So let's continue on the small guys first. By organizing, cataloging these kind of chips, you get to learn about them. Because you're going to have to Google the model numbers, identify what they are, and keep a list of components. My list is now close to 500 individual chips, and number is growing. And combine the quantities, it's over a few thousand. Makes my job much easier. I still keep the board after stripping all the components, because if I need to find resistors, capacitors, certain values, and if I have the schematics, I can search for it, find it, and pull it out. So a board like this can serve many years. So I'm taking what I believe will be useful for me, based on previous repairs, what I have used. I haven't used these guys, but they're hard to find. I need a special order. If it's a liquid damage on the edges of the board, these will give a quick fix. And that means faster turnaround for the clients. APW, kind of power management maybe. MOSFETs. Dual MOSFETs. Some I cannot find out what they are, so I just record it in the system with whatever the labels are here. And in the future I may find what they are. It's no big deal. Alright, we'll take this first. Alright, visual inspection, anything more obvious? Yep, okay. Okay, and here. Just this guy, I think. And maybe this guy. Yep. And what's this guy? Oh, yep, we'll take him. Alright, anything else obvious? How about those guys? No. Okay. So we gotta take the VRAMs and then the Super I/O. And that's it for this board. We'll keep the Type-C and all the ports on here because when a job comes in we can just look at that board and pick up the chip, the necessary port. Otherwise organizing can be hard or take up room. Okay, now for this guy, 1 second, I'll change the nozzle. Okay, very hot. Okay, we'll do the RAMs, the Super I/O first. So I'm using a much bigger nozzle now. See how easy that came out. And here. Okay, great. That's that. Always do this in a well ventilated area. You don't want to inhale any of this stuff. So pretty much cleaned out in my opinion. These ports and things, connectors, we can always use them in future. If I find schematics for this board, I'll keep it in the folder called schematics with boards. I can search that for components in the future. So he's not going to go in the bin, he's going to go into its spare parts box. I don't think there is schematics for this, but I'll take a photo for now. There we go. So here it is, a collection of potential income for future jobs. Great. What else? There's ribbon cables. They're damn useful. Of course, DC jacks and those FPC connectors. And these will be going into organizing later on. Very simple. Show you an idea. So we got our inventory file here. So a whole bunch of lists. So my one goes up to, at the moment, 480. That's how many boxes of chips and components, how many each one. Keep going. Okay, so for example, let's do this memory module. So you do your own way, whatever suits you best. This is what I believe may suit me best. We'll find out. So that's the chip. So if I was to Google that, H5G, C8, H24, MJR, R0C. So here in this case, so if we were to buy this chip, if you need it, it's about $10, depends where you get it. So what I will do, copy that, and first see if I've got it. I do have it, look at that. I do have it on location 265. I've got 262. So now we got 4 more. So we'll update that number to be 8. Let's go to location 262. here there. Just double check the quantity. Yeah, I know where these are from. These are disgusting. These are from the Asus that had a vomit on it. Okay, anyway. So if I get to use them, I mean in the future, I don't need to buy one. That's 8 of them there. That's, about $90 with the taxes. Alright, so that was it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.